Here's a topology for remote site 1. Users report they cannot access internet websites, but internal company resources remain accessible. Let's verify the issue from Ben Williams' workstation and see what we get. Okay, so we're in the command prompt of Ben Williams' computer. So we're going to check his IP settings and see what we have. So Ben has, looks like the correct IP settings. Well, we're going to check to see if DHCP is working. So I'll run an ipconfig /release. And then I'll run ipconfig /renew. All right, so DHCP is working. So we know that's good. So let's test to see if we can reach the corporate server. So we'll ping portal.pathview.local for the corporate server. And that's good. So now we know DNS is working because we get a response, right? So now let's see if we can ping google.com. Oh, I'm mistyping. So we'll do ping google.com. I'm typing the wrong thing today. And we're not getting a response from Google. So now we'll check the remote router to see what's going on because we know the user can connect to the LAN, but not to the internet. All right, so I'm going to run a continuous ping to google.com while we troubleshoot the remote router. So I'll minimize this. I'm going to put this up here, not too far up there, so we can see what's going on. And it's still timing out. So we'll go ahead and open up the router. We want to bring Ben's command prompt back. Here we go. So now we're in the remote router. So what we'll check first, we'll do a show IP interface brief to look at the interfaces on the remote router. So the interfaces are up. So what we'll do now is do a show IP route. Okay, and that's looking good. The router has a default route going to the ISPs, the gateway out to the internet. Okay, so that was good. So what we'll do now is ping the Google IP address. So that was, let's see, what IP address? We'll go back here. All right, so this is Google's IP address. Let me copy that. All right, I'm gonna just type it in here. Ping 150.25.63.10. And that's good. So the router can reach the Google public IP, but users cannot. So you know what? Let's take a look at NAT. So we'll run a show IP NAT translations. So we're not getting any results from there. So we'll do a show IP NAT statistics. Okay, so we'll do a show run pipe section VLAN because we have VLAN 20 there and VLAN 70, but not VLAN 10. Okay, we see VLAN 10. It's looking good, looking good. But the thing I'm seeing is VLAN 10 is missing IPNAT inside. Because as we can see from VLAN 20 and VLAN 70, IPNAT inside is configured on there. So what we do now is run a config t interface VLAN 10, and we'll do IP NAT inside. Boom. And we can see Ben Williams' PC is able to reach Google now. So Ben has internet access. So we'll exit out of this and that, and let's save that. Don't forget to save your config once you make a change. And Ben is good to go now. Oh, so you know what? Let's do a show IPNAT translations. Let's see what's going on. Yep. So IPNAT translations, we show the remote router's public IP, which is 100.0.0.14, the inside global IP address, and the inside local is Ben's local corporate VLAN 10's IP address, going out to the Google IP address. Outside local and outside global is Google IP address. Perfect. So the root cause was a missing NAT inside configuration on VLAN 10, which is the corporate VLAN. So corporate resources remain accessible, but internet traffic could not be translated. So if you enjoyed this troubleshooting ticket, consider subscribing and check out the Real Network Troubleshooting playlist. I'm Daryl Foy, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next ticket.